Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add more sections to your Shopify theme. The easy, no-code way, whether you are building your home page or customizing a product page, this guide will help you take full control of your layout. Sections are building blocks of your Shopify pages like image, banners, product sliders, testimonials, FAQs, and more. You can mix and match them to design your store however you want. Let's start by going to your Shopify admin. Then click on Online Store, then Themes. Now click the Customize button next to your current theme. This options the theme editor. This opens the theme editor. By default, Shopify lets you add new section to your homepage easily. Click Add Section from here. You will see a list of available blocks like slideshow, image banner, featured products, featured collections, video, image with text, image banner, testimonials, etc. Click the one you want, then hit select. Now you can edit the content, images, and layout on the right panel. Tip: use the drag icon to rearrange section up or down to fit your flow. Like this. To add sections to other pages like product or collection pages, click the drop down at the top and switch to the page type you want to edit. Now you will see any default sections that apply there. If your theme supports it, you may see an add section option just like on the home page. Some themes limit what sections you can add to inner pages. If that's the case, you might need to upgrade to a newer 2.0 theme, which we will talk about next. If you don't see the add section option on other pages, you are probably using a legacy theme. Shopify 2.0 themes like Down, Refresh, or Sense let you add sections on any page, not just home page. You can switch to a 2.0 theme under online store, then theme, then explore three themes and look for the 2.0 pages. If you want even more control, you can use Shopify apps like Pagefly, Shogun, Layout Hub. These let you drag and drop advanced layouts on any page. For that, go to Apps section, Add Apps, then go to Shopify App Store, then search for Pagefly Shogun. Spacefly, this, then Shogun, or Layout Hub. Sorry, Hub. Like this. This let you drag and drop advanced layouts on any page. Just click installed and use it. Or if you are comfortable with the code, you can create custom sections using Liquid, but that's a topic for another video. And that's how you add new sections to your Shopify theme. Quick and easy. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Got questions about themes or page layouts? Let me know in the comments. I have got you covered. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.